So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about an exciting job opportunity floated by Google on its website where graduate freshers as well as 12th pass candidates who have some sort of experience can consider applying. So do consider watching this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this job role, this is for the role of vendor operations manager. So here you will have to work with Google but for the YouTube team. So you must understand that Google and YouTube are now sort of related. They work together. They are not same companies but they do work for each other. So you will be working for YouTube trust and safety team, and you will have to do hiring of vendors for YouTube trust and safety team. So what this team is about, you can read in the job description. They basically take care of the fact that all the creators who are there on YouTube, are creating content that is safe for others. So this kind of thing they do. So you will be working for their team and you will have to hire vendors, look out for vendors, track their performance, how they are performing well or not, and work with multiple stakeholders in the company as well as multiple departments, and also check their process so that you can suggest them any ways of process improvement. So it is this kind of job role which is a mix of vendor support and process improvement kind of job role. So regarding the salary for this job role, they haven't mentioned clearly on the website, but what I have read is it is between 12 to 17 LPA, which is very high considering that it is for a junior level job role. And now, as far as the interview rounds are considered, first of all, Google does an HR screening round to check your communications and interest in this job role. So they will give you a call, and then if you are shortlisted, there will be an online interview with their team. It can be operations round, which is considered of which has questions related to the role, some behavior questions, and some hypothetical questions also. And last round will be with the HR manager where there will be some sort of negotiation and questions will be asked about yourself. So it is this kind of job role, and now I'll take you to my computer screen to show you how you can apply for this role and also some of the interview questions as well as their sample answers. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and firstly I'll discuss some of the interview questions that can be asked for this particular job role. So they can be: what things will you keep in mind while selecting vendors? So here you have to consider number of years that vendor number of years of experience that the vendor has, because that is important. Then any recommendation from other clients that the vendor has served. Then you can check the rating of the vendor on social media sites like Google or Facebook. These kind of sites will give you ratings. So these are some of the methods that you can use and keep in mind while selecting vendors. Then how would you deal with underperforming vendors? Now suppose that you have selected a vendor but he is not able to perform in your company. So what will you do? You will first of all have an open discussion with them as to what is the problem that they are facing due to which they are not able to perform well. So understanding their problems and then recommend solutions to them. So what solutions you can recommend them so that their problems can be solved, and then monitor them and check if there is any improvement they are showing. And then if they don't show any improvement for the next few months, then you don't hesitate in looking out for new vendors instead of them and remove the underperforming performers. So this is the approach that you should be using. How would you evaluate or monitor the performance of vendors? So vendors should be evaluated in the same manner as a company evaluates its employees. So vendors should be given clear KPIs, which is key performance indicators, means the tangible tasks that they have to perform, and performance should be measured based on those KPIs only. So suppose you have given a KPI to a vendor that they have to serve so many people, like 100 people for this month. So that is a KPI for a vendor, so you can measure if they are able to perform that or not. Then what methods can you use for process improvement? Because process improvement is also required. So some of the methods can be reducing communication issues between the departments, like decreasing the number of emails and contact touch points between departments and its employees. Other way can be identifying and removing redundant tasks. So some tasks could be redundant, which unnecessary a department is doing, and is not eventually, helping the overall process. So you can identify and remove those tasks. So these are some of the operations interview questions that they can ask you, which are role based. Now some of the HR interview questions they can ask, of course, tell me about yourself. Then what challenges do you expect in this role? Then talk about your past experience if you have any, or any internships or projects. What are your achievements till now? So Google, pays a lot of emphasis on achievements. Why Google? Then why this role? So in this, you can talk about the strengths that you have related to this role, like good communications, collaboration skills, like that. And these questions, why Google, these I have discussed many times before. You can watch my video, and I'm giving the link in the description box. Now I'll take you to my website where I've floated this job, so you can check here. uh, this job has been floated, vendor operations manager. So just click on that job, and you will be redirected to this page where the entire details of the job is written. The eligibility requirements, everything is written, job description. So eligibility, bachelor's degree should be there, or you should have equivalent experience. So if a 12th pass candidate can also apply, but then that person should have experience in these things. And the complete job details are given. And if you are interested, just go to apply for this job. You will be redirected here. So just go to apply, and once you go to apply, you will have to log in through your email ID, Google email ID, and then you can upload your resume, write your contact details like your name, address, region where you are located, phone number, attended university degree program. So if you have completed, you can write yes and write about the details. Work experience, applying for your first job, you can write yes, then it will not ask your work experience. And then cover letter is optional. If you have, you can attach that and submit your profile. And if they shortlist you, you will get a telephonic call from them. And in case you want to get your CV rectified for this job role, link is given in the description box. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more such openings in future. And I'll meet you in the next video. Till then.